What's up guys, welcome back to your channel where we break down crypto mining projects step by step and you get updates about the existing mining project. Also, this is not a financial advice, it's just to find a way to make money together online. In this video, I'll be explaining the easy way of you passing your KYC on the Rubi network. As I said in my Telegram channel, I've passed the first KYC that came out, so I don't have a privilege to do this one again. So to teach you this step by step, I need to get videos from different places, so that's why some parts may be clear and some may be blur. So just take it like that because I had to gather these videos for these informations. So just bear with me and I hope this video help you guys a lot. So to get the KYC option, all you do is come over to the personal, then go to the user verification. Here you can see the eKYC. So for this video that I used, you can see it's not verified yet. So once you click on it, you can see here you need to complete the ownership information over 30 days. You need to have at least 30 rubies mined already. And the last one here is the invitation. So the invitation is probably automatic. So once you get the invitation like this, then we can move forward. If you haven't gotten the invitation, no stress. Just make sure you do those two first things. So once you do them, then automatically you get the invitation. And another thing here is you need to create a wallet. So make sure you create a wallet. If you don't know how to do that, I have a video for that. It will be in the description box below. So go watch that. Make sure you create a wallet like this. But the thing is, you can't migrate, as you can see on the screen here. You can't migrate any Ruby token yet because I've already done the KYC. That's why I can migrate. So there's also a post that interests me on their Telegram channel, which they said, why does Ruby not automatically deduct fees like P network? If you've done the Pi network, you understand what I'm saying. The major difference I see is when migrating on the Pi network, you'll notice that when you click on the migrate, the Pi team are the one to do the migration for you automatically from their end over there. But for this one over here, which is the Ruby, you're going to migrate it to your wallet. They don't have any control over your wallet. So that's why they can't remove the fees from your wallet. If you go on their Telegram channel, you will see all those things there, but I just try to simplify it for you guys to understand why they take the fees. Another interesting thing here on their Telegram channel is one of their moderators that are selling minimum of 2 rubies and is selling it at the rate of 0.50 cents for 1 ruby. So that's $1, or let me just say 1 USDT for the 2 rubies that you need to complete your KYC. I'm not in any way promoting this person because I don't know him, but I'm just saying because he's one of the moderators and you can see on the Ruby group here, they have a lot of users here. So they may probably know the person very well. So that's why I'm just saying you can try that also. And as for me, I would have probably really want to help a lot of people. But the problem is you can see my total, which is the 494 tokens that I have that I can migrate, sorry. Nevertheless, I'm still going to help 5 random people. So don't bother, just chill, watch the video to the end so you understand how I'm going to help those 5 random people. So coming back to the KYC over here, let's continue with the KYC. Here you can see the scope, the purpose, information to submit. You must make sure you read all these things before you proceed. I can't be reading everything to you one by one, so just make sure you read everything and then click on I agree. I've read and I agree. Then you click on continue. We have 3 priority levels here. The first one here is the 6 ruby. If you have the 6 ruby, you can do the first priority level. The second one here is the 4 and the third is the 2. For the first priority here, which is the 6 ruby, you are allowed to resubmit 5 times, and also the queue is less than 100. So this means your KYC will be more faster than others. And the second priority level here, which is the 4 ruby, you are allowed to submit 3 times, and you can see the queue is less than 600, which is even more than the 6 ruby. And we have the last one here, which is the 2 ruby, which is the minimum. You are allowed to resubmit here at least 2 times, and the queue is less than 10,000, but at least it's better than nothing. So this is a minimum. So once you have chosen the priority you want to be, which I advise many of you to just stick to the 2, then you make a reservation. So once you make reservation like this, you can see here the fee payment is just 10 minutes. So you need to be fast about everything you're doing. So here you have 2 options. You can either scan the QR code or the wallet address and you pay the 2 ruby. That is when you check out. Or you can either ask your friend to help you out to pay. That's people that have passed their own KYC. So if you are choosing the friend own, you just click on the share QR code to your friend, or if you want to do it yourself, then you click on the checkout. Hope that is understood. So this is where I'll be coming in. As I said before, I can't help everybody, it's not possible. But I'll be choosing just random 5 people to pay 2 Ruby for. So that is 10 Ruby I'm sacrificing. So all you do is just click on the share QR code to this Telegram username I'm sharing on the screen right now. So make sure you share it with me. So once you share it with me, make sure you're on the lower priority, which is the 2 Ruby. That is what I want to pay for 5 people. But if the request is much, I can still even pay for more. But I'll just try my best. You understand that? So the second option here is if you've already bought your own Ruby before starting, all you just do is just click on the checkout here. So once you click on checkout, then you just click on transfer because you already have the Ruby in your wallet already. So that's fine. So just click on the transfer. Enter your pin, and after the pin here, then you click on next and make sure you click on already paid because that is the final step. So you must click on that already paid. So after clicking on it now, you can see it here, amazing. So you have successfully paid the KYC booking fee. So that's just a booking fee. So this is where you start your KYC properly. So then you click on next. Now you choose either a national ID card or your passport, any of the two. But I prefer people using their national ID card. Make sure you read this pop-up notice before you continue. You can see here, prepare a national ID card or passport, and also provide a clear, sharp and correct images. That is very essential because when they are not sharp, definitely they will tend to reject your KYC and you have to do another one again. So after reading through, the next thing is to enter your details and take a very clear photo of your national ID card or your passport. Then you need to read this very carefully. Take your photo according to the illustration. So the illustration says you need to write Ruby and the date of shooting on a piece of paper and then hold it, and then you hold your ID card with it. Once you do all this, then you proceed. You can see here the priority level 3Q index. So they are going to give you this index number like this. So you're on the priority level 3. That is for the 2 Ruby payment. So you can see we have like 169 hours. So that is like getting your result in 3 to 7 days. So once your KYC is verified, then there's one thing to do again is to migrate your token, just little of your token. Then you come over to the mining here, go to the statistics. I've already thought about that because the video is in link in description box, and you go to the user verified. So once you're there, then you need to click on the migrate. So don't migrate more than 100 units per migration. So just do a few migration so you can be able to send to other people or help other people verify their KYC. So that is how we all are going to help ourselves. And if you're selling your own Ruby too, you can just contact me, so I'll tell others to buy from you, but make sure you're a verified one. The KYC 2.0 is still coming, so I urge you guys to do this KYC 1.5 because the KYC 2.0, they won't be charging Ruby for their fees. They'll be charging something worth more than Ruby, so then you don't want to waste time. So just do it now when it's still on Ruby fee. If you learn anything good in the video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, join the Telegram channel for fast updates. See you all guys in my next video. Stay always blessed.